Hello, good afternoon. This is Jackie and I'm teaching Tagalog words. So if you want to visit the Philippines, I'm posting videos every day like Tagalog words. Either you wanna introduce yourself or count in Tagalog. So I have videos for that. So today I'm going to teach you where to go or ask direction or what to write in the Philippines. In the Philippines, we have a lot of mode of transportation. We have jeepney, tricycle, train, taxi. But I'm going to teach you how to ride a jeepney or a taxi, a tricycle, because jeepney and tricycle you cannot see it in America or in the other countries, only in the Philippines or maybe in Thailand. So this is a jeepney, okay, maybe 18 people inside, and this is particular, there is a particular stop where you're gonna just go down and stop. This tricycle is specific if you want to go somewhere specific, but you can either short distance or long distance, you can ride a tricycle. Okay, so this is a jeep and this is tricycle. So if you want to ask, for example, you go like walking and you're gonna ask the local what ride you're going to take. So this is in English. What ride am I going to take? In English. In Tagalog, ano ang sasakyan ko? Again, ano ang sasakyan ko? Ano ang sasakyan ko? It means what ride you're going to take. Because in the Philippines, we have a specific. You cannot just rent a taxi. There's no taxi in the rural area, especially in the provinces. So you can ask the local, ano ang sasakyan ko, or ano ang sasakyan ko. They will tell you, or you can ride a jeepney or a tricycle. And they will, now I'm going to teach you how to ask location. So this is, the first one is in English, where is the location of? So for example, you're going to go to the beach. Where is the location of? You can say, saan papunta? So for example, saan papunta ang beach? Okay, saan papunta ang beach? You can say, saan papunta? You can say either, saan papunta ang beach, or we're going to the market, saan papunta? Or, where is the beach? Or, saan ang beach? Okay? You can say, saan ang beach? In English, where is the beach? Tagalog, saan, where, ang beach. So that's how you ask direction. Okay.